In this lecture, we will learn about how to plot a point in a Cartesian plane. Now consider a point P. We have to find its coordinates. Now draw a perpendicular PM from the point P on x-axis. Similarly, perpendicular PN from P on y-axis. Then this distance OM, this is called x coordinate or abscissa, and similarly this distance ON, this is called y coordinate or simply ordinate of a point. So in this example we see that OM is equal to 3 units and ON, this distance, is equal to 2 units. So now we can say that coordinates of point P are 3, 2. Abscissa is written first, then followed by ordinate. So coordinate of the point P are 3, 2. Now take another example. Consider this point Q. In this case, this length, this is -2, so abscissa is -2 and this ordinate is -4. So coordinate of the point Q are -2 and -4. So what we observe that in the first quadrant, in this coordinate, abscissa as well as ordinate both are positive, whereas in second coordinate abscissa, this is negative and ordinate is positive. In the third coordinate, abscissa as well as ordinate both are negative, and in fourth quadrant abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. Now consider this point A. A is on x-axis. Its coordinate will be 2, 0. So any point which is on the x-axis will have ordinate part 0. Any point on x-axis will have ordinate part 0. Similarly, any point on y-axis, consider this point B. It is on y-axis. Its coordinate will be of the form 0, 4. Its abscissa will be 0. So any point which is on the y-axis will have abscissa 0. Abscissa will be 0 for any point on y-axis and ordinate will be 0 for any point on x-axis. And what about this origin? Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. And also from this graph it is clear that suppose consider a point say M or say A. Suppose it has coordinates 2, 1, and some another point B, it has coordinates 1, 2. Now 2, 1 will lie here, whereas 1, 2 will lie here. So these are two different points. So we can say xy in Cartesian plane is not equal to yx. And with the help of this graph we can also locate, say take some examples, say -2, -3. In this case abscissa as well as ordinate both are negative, so we know that this lies in the third quadrant. Similarly, say consider point 0, 3. Now in this case abscissa is 0, so it will lie on y-axis, positive side of y-axis. Similarly, any point say -3, 5. -3, 5, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. Negative, positive. So it will lie in second quadrant. Similarly, 4, -2. Abscissa is positive, ordinate is negative. So it will lie in fourth quadrant, and so on. So now just by looking at the coordinate of a point we can locate in which quadrant this point will lie.